Welcome to Microsoft Excel Trainings. When we receive a file or a spreadsheet in Excel, it is possible to select all the formulas at the same time and perform operations such as making bold, iterating, or shading. For this, after opening our file, our aim is to select all the formulas here at once. That is, to find all the cells containing formulas and make them bold and, for example, in a green color that we have determined the background color. To do this, we will open the table and use the rightmost find and replace Find and select expression on the Home tab if you are using English, Home if you are using Turkish. When you select the Formulas option in the list that opens after clicking here, all cells containing formulas in the table are selected at once. And now, for example, by making it thicker here, giving it a green background color, and making the summer color white, you can easily do something like this. It is a very nice feature. It also provides great practicality. This way you can easily solve a question such as, where are the cells containing formulas in a table, especially in an Excel file that came to you from outside?